Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and, optionally, some cleaning cloths for maintenance. Step 1. Unplug your Thermomix TM5. Safety first. Ensure it's completely disconnected from any power source before starting the repair process. Step 2. Start by removing the bowl. Simply twist and lift it out. This gives you better access to the closure system. If you notice any residue or dirt, take a moment to clean the interior with a cloth. This helps maintain the appliance and prepares it for the repair. Step 3. Next, locate the screws that hold the closure system in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws at the top of the closure mechanism. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly. Step 4. Once the screws are out, gently lift the closure system off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to loosen it from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any wiring during this process. If you find that you're having difficulty, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Step 5. Examine the old closure system for any signs of wear and tear. If you see cracks or significant damage, it's time to replace it. Before you proceed, ensure you have the correct replacement part. You can check with your local retailer or online for the best options. Step 6. Now, take your new closure system and align it where the old system was removed. Push it down gently but firmly until it fits into place. Check that it lines up correctly with the screw holes. Step 7. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the new closure system. Step 8. After securing the closure system, it's a good idea to clean any remaining debris around the area. Use a clean cloth to wipe down the exterior and ensure everything looks tidy. Step 9. Reattach the bowl by aligning it and twisting it back into place. Make sure it's seated correctly and securely. Step 10. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM5 back in and perform a quick test. Check the functionality of the closure system by opening and closing it several times to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so there's no need for any calls or travel. To wrap up, you've successfully replaced the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. If you need a quote before any repair or have further questions, feel free to contact us. Your kitchen companion is now ready for more culinary adventures. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.